I've waited a long time for this. I mean, like, I'm really not joking. I have waited a long time for this comparison. They're both 2.7 liters. 4-potter, 6-potter. 1 turbo, 2 turbos. Look at it right there, all of its glory. That's power. Raw power is what that is. Let's come over here. We're gonna pick up 2 more cylinders. Little 2.7 liter V6 EcoBoost. Chevy versus Ford. All in the name of mile per gallon. Smaller displacement engines and slap some turbochargers on there. They're both utilizing 2.7 liters, but like we said before, one's a 4-cylinder, one's a V6. But the transmissions are both co-designed by Ford and Chevrolet together in harmony. Chevy versus Ford lives on. Thanks for watching the video. Contact Ford of Murfreesboro for pricing and availability.